Now, page 120, Lesson F. Another view. Life skills, reading. Friendly Cleaning Service Incorporated. So, you need this comma after the name of the company. This is the name of the company. Friendly Cleaning Service, comma, INC. If you see INC, it's short for incorporated. It's an abbreviation. That's why you need a period. INC Inc. It means company. We do your chores with a smile. Madison, Wisconsin, 53714. Always, you need a comma again between the city and state. Work order for 1812 Franklin Street, Madison, Wisconsin, 53714. Date, Monday, August 27th. Name, Elma. Chore, dishes. Name, Kay. Chore, beds. Name, Ramiro. Chore, grass. Name, bin. Chore, laundry. Take a look at the names. Always capitalize the first letter of each name because this is a proper noun. Questions or problems? Call Elena Sanchez at 555-1234. A. Read the sentences. Look at the work order. Fill in the answer. A. Or 1. What is Elma's chore? B. Washing the dishes. 2. What is Kay's chore? A. Making the beds. 3. What is Ramiro's chore? C. Cutting the grass. 4. What is Ben's chore? A. Doing the laundry. B. Solve the problem. Which solution is best? Circle your opinion. Elma is sick. What should she do? So Elma is sick. She's ill. Same thing. Sick, ill, there's synonyms. 1. Call Elena. I think, yes, she should call Elena first. Probably Elena is a supervisor, her boss, so she should let her know she can't come to work because she is ill today. Or 2, you could go to work sick. This is also another option. If you're not too sick, then I guess, yes, you could go to work sick. Now, let's take a look at the U.S. state postal abbreviations. U.S. has 50 states. And for your convenience, you should know the abbreviated form for each state. Now, first one, Alabama, AL. Alaska, AK. Arizona, AZ. Arkansas, AR. I think this S at the end is silent S. California, CA. Colorado, CO. Connecticut, CT. Delaware, DE. Florida, FL. Georgia, GA. Hawaii, HI. Idaho, ID. Illinois, IL. Again, Illinois, this is silent S. Indiana, IN. Iowa, IA. Kansas, KS. Kentucky, KY. Louisiana, LA. Maine, ME. Maryland, MD. Massachusetts, MA. Michigan, MI. Minnesota, MN. Mississippi, MS. Missouri, MO. Montana, MT. Nebraska, NE. Nevada, NV. New Hampshire, NH. New Jersey, NJ. New Mexico, NM. New York, NY. North Carolina, NC. North Dakota, ND. Ohio, OH. Oklahoma, OK. Oregon, OR. Pennsylvania, PA. Rhode Island, RI. South Carolina, SC. South Dakota, SD. Tennessee, TN. Texas, TX. Utah, UT. Vermont, VT. Virginia, VA. Washington, WA. West Virginia, WV. Wisconsin, WI. Wyoming, WY. So please study your abbreviations for 50 states in America. And let's go to our next page, 121. Fun with vocabulary. Talk with a partner. Complete the chart. Now, cut the grass. Next column, wash the car, the dishes, the dog. Third column, do homework, the dishes, the laundry. Fourth column, make the bed, lunch. The last column, get the mail. Now circle 8 ing words in the puzzle. So these are the 8 words: walking, watering, washing, making, getting, drying, cutting, taking. So first of all these words are verb: walk, water, wash. So we're only adding ing at the end of each verb. For example, walk, that's a verb, and you're only adding ing. I walk, that's a present simple tense. I am walking, now that's present progressive. But walk could be a noun, like I take a walk, then that's a noun. So a lot of times in English, verbs and nouns have the exact same form. So just depending on a sentence, it could be a noun or a verb. That's a sentence structure. Same thing, water. I would like some water. That's a noun. But I'm going to use this water as a verb. I water my plants. I am watering my plants. Now, in these cases, I'm using water as a verb. Washing, making, getting, dry. Drying, cutting, taking. And after the verb, you only have to add ing. Simple like this. Most cases. Ing. Walking, watering, washing. But now make. Now this follows a different rule. Make is spelled M-A-K-E with a silent E at the end. When there's a silent E, the rule is you drop the letter E and then you add ing. That's why it's making. There's another case, or this is the exact same case like making. Where is it? Right here. Take. T-A-K-E. Taking. It ends with a silent E, so you drop the letter E and you're replacing with ing only. Now, drying. Now, this is case with Y. When you have a verb that ends with Y, when you're adding ing, you don't need to worry about if it's followed by a vowel or a consonant. That's just for ing. When we're adding es, that's a different case. But for ing, we do not need to worry about if Y is followed by a vowel or consonant. Always just ing. Get. Now, this is also strange, right? It's not ing, but there's extra T in it. You double the last consonant. When a verb ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, combination, you call it CVC, you have to add the last vowel, the last consonant. In this case, it's letter T. That's why you need extra T here. Getting. Now, exact same case. Cut. You need extra T because it's also consonant, vowel, consonant. CVC. So you need to add extra T before you add ing. Now, before we move on, let's review about our nouns. I hope you remember about the nouns. There are many different types of nouns, but what you have to know is only just some basics. Common nouns. What is a noun? Every word is a part of speech and has a role in our language. You call them parts of speech. A noun names a person, place, thing, feeling, idea, or any concept. It could be anything. But there are many different types of nouns. So you have to know about common nouns. Common nouns. Common noun names non-specific person, place, or thing. So these are the common nouns for person. Girl, man, woman, mother. These are all non-specific person. For a place. These are the common nouns for a place. House, schools, hospital, store, building, playground. These are all common nouns. What about thing? It could be anything. Pencil, chair. You are naming a non-specific thing. Remember the rule? Note that none of these nouns start with a capital letter. All the common nouns do not start with a capital letter because it's non-specific. The only time that you capitalize a noun is at the beginning of a sentence or in a title. Remember that, it's very important. And here are some sentences using common nouns. 1. The little girl liked reading comic books. 2. We live in the yellow house. 3. May I use your new pencil? So these underlined words are all common nouns and we do not capitalize it because it's non-specific. And also, English sentence, you have to capitalize the first letter of each sentence. So that's why you have to capitalize letter T. You have to capitalize letter W here. Capitalize letter M here. You have to capitalize beginning of each sentence and you have to end with either a period or a question mark. You need a punctuation mark. Now, proper nouns. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the specific names of a person, place, or thing. And here are the examples. Person. So people's name, Mary Jo, Mrs. King. These are all proper nouns and it has to be capitalized. Now place. Howard Elementary School. You see that? You have to capitalize everything. Howard Elementary, letter E, school, letter S, because the whole thing is the name. Florida is the name of the state. Or St. Andrew's Hospital. You have to capitalize hospital too because this whole thing is the name. And a thing, Earl Grey. I think that Earl Grey is the name of the tea. That's why you have to capitalize it. Nike is the name of the brand. Ford is the name of the car company. So all these are capitalized. These are called proper nouns. And remember the rule? Notice that all of these nouns begin with a capital letter because proper nouns are names. They are always capitalized. Here are some sentences using proper nouns. 1. Mary was the fastest runner. 2. Howard Elementary School is a new school in our town. 3. I like to wash my hair with Pearl shampoo. Did you notice that? Howard Elementary School. These three words are all capitalized. But this school is not, because this is a common noun and this is a proper noun. And he's washing with I like to wash my hair with Pearl shampoo. It's the name of the shampoo, Pearl shampoo. That's why this is capitalized. But if you say, I like to wash my hair with shampoo, just shampoo, any shampoo, then it's gonna be lowercase letter s.